Hey, what's going on? It's James here with Jalopy Media. I'm just sitting in the vibe, chilling out. Nice 27 degrees here up in Canada. And feel like doing the oil today. So I got the filter and everything, and I'm gonna go in the back alley and do a little DIY oil change here. So I do it annually. I have only put about just under 5,000 kilometers on this oil change, but all right, what else can we do here? Jalopy Media. We're gonna be doing our oil change today. You can kind of see over here, I got some Canadian Tire special ramps, car ramps, whatever you want to call them. $60. So, car ramps, easy for an oil change. I'm just gonna pull this over into a good spot, and I'll get the ramps out and everything. Start getting to it. So, yeah, oil change on a 1.8 liter Pontiac Vibe. First thing, look at the ramps kind of in place. You have to pull forward a bit more. Get the ramps in place here. Look at that. Helps if you unlock your door too. Should only take a couple minutes. That's good. Let's go double check. Yeah. Looks good. Check the other side. Yeah, it's on there. I'm gonna squish myself. Alright. Alright, I'll pop the hood and get started here. We got everything. My car is disgusting again. Oil filter. I got a new drain plug, and I got my oil wrench and stuff. A filter wrench. These, just in case. I got rags in case there's any oil spills. I'm usually pretty damn good about it. My oil, empty one there. Full thing, mobile one, 5W20. I think that's all I need out here. Let's get the hood open here. Everything's doing fine. Got my little coolant gauge still working good. Everything looks a little dusty from going off-roading, but it's all fine. Zap straps. Alright, we're gonna crack this. We'll get that open. So for now, I need to get underneath and start draining it. Okay. Alright. So, key thing, make sure you actually open this thing. I've done it once already. Make sure you actually open this cap. Take your cap off and put it to the side or whatever. Now once we get under here, it's over this way more. Here's what it is. Here's the drain plug right here. Get it positioned. Make sure it's open to catch the oil. Make sure this camera's working alright. This is my buddy's set he's let me use because my set is crappy and doesn't have big enough sizes. So, alright. Okay, still see what's going on right here. Yeah, there we go. Oil. Let me plug there. Take that off. No, it's not a 16, it is a 14. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. What am I going right now? That's righty. There we go. Make sure it's nice and in the right spot here. Don't want to piss oil everywhere. There we go. That's still got a nice color to it. Ain't bad looking. Anything? There, get all the oil in there. Old drain plug. Still looks good. And looks fine on it. But I got a new magnetic drain plug, so just let this sit here and drain. Lots of oil. Lots of oil. Well, it's a good thing this container can fill a couple. And then we got the filter right here in this cartridge here. So we'll have to crack that after this drains a bit. Doesn't have a terrible color to it. It's only at just under 5,000, but it was a little bit more than, I think it was 13,000 on the last oil change. So, all right, let's let this sit for a sec. What we got there? Okay, so got K9 filter, right? Hopefully it says high capacity. I don't know. Hopefully it gets better flow than the original, and then I got a little double check thing there. What's the difference? Look at the difference. That does not look like the right size. No, what the hell? That's not gonna work. That's not the right size at all. Look at that. It's not gonna work at all. Nope. Why is there? There's this big space at the bottom here. Oh, this thing's garbage. It's a good thing I only paid like $3 on Amazon for it, but I'm not using that. Pretty sure this is aluminum anyway. This is steel. It's got the magnet, but that's a shitty drain plug. It's not the right size at all. So, not using that. High performance. Made in Korea. You know it's performance. It says made in Korea. Alright, that's right. Part number 2, right? Yep. Okay. Just make sure that's alright. Keys and everything. Oil's still draining fine. Pull my dipstick even. There's no oil in it now. Why is there no oil? Nice and clean in there. It's nice. And then I got this going on over here too. My LED light. It's probably hard to see, but the lens fell off and now it's stuck inside my light housing. So some more shit to deal with. I'll just check on the oil here. Oh yeah, it's still draining away. Draining. I don't drip it on my phone. Well, just let it sit and drain. It's gonna take a while. Chicken bone. It's a chicken bone over there. Let it sit and drain. I fucked up my own freeway. These are the bees. These are the bees. This thing is garbage. Keys. Drain plug. I can put the 16 back. And maybe you got the 1.8 liter 2ZRFE with a cartridge style filter. If you do, this is how you change that filter. Everything I have is orange. Even the little piece of Lego on my keychain. This is dripping away. Now, all I need to do is get at this. Probably put the see from here. You can see the cartridge filter. Seriously, righty tighty. Which way am I going? It's laughing. Is this loose? Just loosen it off enough? Yeah, it's not even that tight. Doesn't need to be tight. There it goes. Watch well. Alright, just pulled the cartridge filter out. And take a look at this. I've had this in for not even 5,000 kilometers. Just look at the state of this thing, man. Like the pleats in it. The pleats are completely wonderful. That's what's going in it. I can't see it, but you can probably see it. Nothing weird in here. There's no metal debris or anything. Just this filter is just disintegrated. Wonderful. All right, well, I can at least get this ready. This piece. Here's this one. It's supposed to be high flow. Synthetic material, it says. We will see. We will see. Take this old gasket off. It feels a little worn. All right, got the new gasket. Got the new gasket on without breaking it. Good. This one, garbage. Oil filter. Pop the new filter on. Oh, let's just get it on. Alright, over here, hopefully. Cartridge. Okay, well, I don't know if it was recording, but shit, screwed this back in, got the filter in, everything's in, got this torqued down, just nice and snug, oil drain plug, and the oil filter housing. Alright, let's get out of here. Now, I need to funnel your oil. This one takes, what is it, 5W20 or 0W20? Alright. There's no debris in this thing here. Kind of a pain in the butt. What is it? It's gonna take most of this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, it says. Let's put 4 in there. That's 1, 2, 3. So that takes 4.2. All right. Get my drain plug back in. Get a freaking rag for this. Got this other rag. I stick in the top. So I'm not getting oil all over the place. Okay. And that's a different rag, man. How's the oil level look like? Well, see. Looks pretty good. Take this, put it back in my friend's toolbox. Just like that. Afraid of these. Like this. Like that. And like that. Perfect. Take all this. Let's throw this crap. What else we got down? Over here. filter over there. I think that's it. I think that's it for the oil change. Alright, let's tarp. Wipe all this down. Now let's see the color of the oil. Just wipe this up a bit. Put the cap on. Make sure the cap is on. Good enough. This oily ass rag can go in there. I have to wash my hands. Oil all over me. This. I need to get my ramps back in the car. Alright, I'll put this in the back too for now. There we go. Perfect. Fits. Alright, well, that was doing the oil on a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. We'll park it over this way. We'll check more oil afterwards. Check the oil levels, make sure it's not leaking. Alright. There she is. 2009. Forget my ramps. Put those there for now. I'll deal with them later. Make sure it's not dripping. No oil drips. Looking good there. Looking good here. Done. Now I gotta wash my hands. Make sure I should close my trunk. There we go. Close the hood up. Make sure everything's locked down tight. Don't leave your oil cap off. I think we're good here.